Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. You're watching Hema on Happiness or Lifestyle, and today I am getting the part 2 Old Navy haul for you guys. And so let me just get on with it because it is huge, a lot. I actually used the same bag because I just put the stuff in the same bag that I did the last haul, but it is all the stuff is different though. So let me get on with it. First I want to first I want to show you guys this dress that I'm wearing, and I will be putting a clip of every dress if I wear it. If I do like a try on, then I'm going to be inserting it after I show each of these dresses. It has a tie up here. There's a tying thing here, just like a thin, fabric thing to tie. So I don't really like this kind of tying dresses because especially that I've put on a little bit weight now, it feels like around this waist. I don't like anything that's tying around here because then it makes it doesn't look nice. It's not like flattering for me. But I had got this dress long back, just that I hadn't worn it. So this is the first time I'm showing it to you guys. So I did like it when I bought it, but I think it's not looking that flattering right now on me. I tried to put like some kind of nude shoes with it, sandals. That way, I'm not going to look too short maybe. So that is the dress, but I love the color combination, all this purple flowers and the white with purple. I love that combination, so that's why I'd like the dress. Otherwise, I'll show you this one that I was talking to you guys about in my earlier haul, where I mentioned that there was a shirt dress which was actually a shirt, but I thought it was a shirt dress, and the reason I got confused was because I have this shirt dress which is so similar. It's the same checks, like the black and white checks. So you can see why I got confused because of this. This is pretty long dress. So it's pretty long. Long in the sense it's actually up to my knee, but yeah, it's a shirt dress. So this is the shirt dress that I got confused. That was just a shirt. So this was actually $9.49 on clearance. So I got it for $9.49 on clearance. And so see, it looks so similar to that, right? So that's the reason I got confused. Even the look in the back, that shirt look in the back and everything, except that the length is a little bit longer on this. So this is the shirt dress I was talking about. So you can see how it's like, loose fitting here. I just folded it a little bit, but I really love this dress, and it comes like right above my knee. So it's not like, not too bad. I like it. So it is like, it's pretty, see, it has like a lot of, looseness here. So it's not going to sit tight. It's all button till the end. So there is buttons all the way. So it's like the shirt dress, but I like that it has the shape. So it has that kind of that A shape there. So it's like loose fitting. So it's very comfortable to wear. I love it. I love it. And especially like wearing it with something inside, like I have this shorts, tights inside, like it's kind of like shorts, yeah, from here till here. So pretty much I feel comfortable whenever I wear a short dress. I always wear something inside, so that way, I am not going to be conscious. So I'll feel comfortable. Another dress again, and this did not really have a tag. And so how when they don't have a tag, they kind of look at that thing here, and then they it was in the clearance though, and then they give it. So if I remember correctly, it was $5.99, something like that. So it was really cheap, because there was no tag, I didn't expect it to be that much, but it was really cheap because it was on clearance. So this one has like this covered neck. It's beautiful. Since I'll insert a clip, I'm not going to explain it too much. And what I like here is the hand. It's like this bell sleeves. So bell sleeves and just like a knee length. So I just liked it, just a plain black, dress. So, and it is that sweater material, so it's really like, it's a little bit heavy material. So this is the black, the overall, like the full black dress. I like it because it's just a simple, black dress. And that's how the hand has the bell bottom, bell sleeve. Next one is actually this one, which was also on clearance for $4.97, and this is actually just a pajama top, a pajama shirt. So, and this was, yeah, extra small pajama, just a pajama top actually. And I just love this color combination, the red and the, I don't think I'll wear it as a pajama. I might wear it outside also, but it does look like a pajama because of this, collar here. It looks like a pajama. So this one was $4.97. $4.97. I couldn't find the pant though, the pajama pant. This is how the pajama looks. I just folded here, and that's how it looks. I mean, there's nothing to it. It's just a pajama top. It's just a pajama. I'm just wearing it over a pant, but it's just a pajama. But I like how it feels. It feels so good. The material is so good because it's, pajama material. So I like the way it looks. And pretty simple dress, and I have lot of these kind of dresses or tops, like horizontal lines, vertical lines, black and white, and lot of these, and I still end up buying again. I don't know how many sweaters I have which are so similar, but maybe slight difference. But this is again another dress, pretty simple kind of basic dress, and it is full sleeve, and maybe I would not have bought it if it was not like on sale, but it was on sale for $9.49. It just has a tying here, and you can, just to give you a full look. So as you can see, it's not like very tight, but it is like tight. You can see, you can see my tummy, and I'm going to work on losing weight, guys. I have not been doing anything. So that's it. Sometimes if I like something very much, then I go and kind of buy it in that full price. Like this dress. This dress was, the dress I'm wearing was not on clearance, but it was just like discount for like 20% off, I think, and I got it. So that's why it was not like, not too much discount. The next one is this denim jacket, the black denim jacket, and it is in small, because I used to wear, because I wear extra small usually. Till now I wore extra small, but from last year I've been buying a lot of like small and medium, because it feels tight here. So that's why a lot of the things I try to get small and medium. So this one is all black. Even the buttons are black, and this is, what is it called? I'm not even telling you guys what it's called, because you guys all know how Old Navy, stuff is. This is called, I don't know. Doesn't say what it's called, but this was $19.99. This also was on sale for $19.99. So I'm not sure. The actual price should be underneath it, which I cannot see. So I don't know. Let me try. Okay, I'm not going to try it. Okay, anyway, this was for $19.99. And that is how it looks. It's quite heavy. It's nice. and I can fold it here, or I'm usually going to fold it and wear. So that is how it looks on me. So it looks like correct because I wanted a little loose. I wanted a little bit of that, like I wanted to feel a little bit free here in this part. So I thought like extra small was too tight. So this is good. And this was the only one there which was like on sale. So I just got this one. So, okay. That's it for this one. And then next one, guys. I guess I'm going to keep it on right now. It's looking better this way. Next one are few tops. Actually, they're pretty similar, and all of these were on clearance. So let me show you the first one. Actually, no, one was not on clearance, but I had liked it so much that I got it. I'll show that later. But the rest were on clearance. Clearance in the sense, I think this one, and this pink one, pretty. I have one, I think in black. Yeah, I think I have one in black design one. I don't know. I might have wore it in some video. And then I have a white one too, like this. And this is like pretty cute. And this is originally $26.94. $26.94. But I remember I got it on discount. So I don't know how much discount I got it for. I think it was 40% off or something because I had got like few of them. This one and the white one and the other black one. So 3 colors I had got. So this was 40% off of that. So I'm not sure how much that would be. So it's $26.94. I like this pink one because of the frill here near the sleeve, because it kind of covers that awkward area, that like from this side when you see, it makes it look a little more flattering when you have that thing here because it covers this weird area here a little bit. So I like this top, and again loose fitting. So, and you can, I guess, even wear it like that on a pant. Yeah, you can probably wear it like that. No, maybe not. Okay. So, because it's a little longer, you can see that it's this long. Got this black one, and this is pretty simple black top with a tie here. And I'm going to show you guys, like I'm going to try to wear and show these things to you guys. So it just has a tying here, pretty simple sleeveless top. And all these I had got after summer, so that's why these things were all on sale. All the sleeveless and kind of stuff, and active wear and all. They're usually on sale after like summertime. And then here, this was $11.49. $11.49. In black with a tie here. So the tying thing there. So just a plain black top. I actually like this, and that's how it looks. Got this other one which was not in the clearance, but I did get a discount on it. So again, I don't remember because I really can't remember, because in Old Navy, like they put 30% off, 50% off the whole store, things like that. So that is the time I get these things. So this one, and I love this color combination, so pretty. So it's the same style, but just that the design and everything is different. And this also was originally $26.99, but I got it on sale, so maybe 40% off. So there's a tying here. It's same as the black top, sleeveless, and yeah, and then it has like, I like this one. So that's how the white one looks. And probably, can I do that? I don't know, maybe. Okay. So I love this design. Oh my god. That pink is like popping. Like it's like the bright pink. Next one is this top, which is very similar to the pink one actually. But the pink ones, like these designs were not available in the clearance, right? This one, and then I had another one I said, which I already have wore it. Another, I think it's a white one that I would have like wore it in some video, and a black one also, black like design on it I got. So those ones when I got, they were all like on that sale, right? 40% sale or something. But this one was actually in clearance, but this is pretty much the same design, except for one thing. Actually, this has little bit that high low in the bottom, but and the material is different. So this one was on sale for $5.97, which was pretty good price. So this, the only difference, so it has this like nice frilly things here in the front, like pleats in the front, and then the only difference with that and this would be, again, of course, the material. And then this one here is like high low. So the front is high low and the back is higher. So that kind of design. Light green color, pista green kind of. So that's how it looks. So it's a little bit lower on the top, I mean in the back, and then in the front it's like a little bit higher. I mean a little bit lower here but higher here, sorry. So that's how it looks. It looks pretty much same like the pink one. It has the same kind of sleeve, but it's just like plain. One more thing I wanted to add before I let you guys go is, and this is something that I'm doing for my sake, I think, because sometimes I look at some of my videos and I'm like wondering what makeup I did that day or what lipstick I wore, because I just, I feel like, oh, that lipstick was looking nice with this color dress. So just maybe for my own sake I'm doing this, but I'm trying to put in the description box what I wear. That way even I can look back at it to see the lipsticks and stuff that I'm wearing. So today the lipstick I'm wearing is, because I won't remember, like when I look back in some old videos I can't remember what I did or which lipstick I was wearing or what I mixed to get that color. So today's lipstick I'm wearing is this Kat Von D long lasting liquid lipstick in L.U.V. This beautiful color, this the purpley color, because since I had all purple pinks here and my eyes also I did like all light purple, so I was like I wanted to put a purple lipstick. So and then that with the lip liner from NYX, the Auburn lip liner from NYX. So that's what I have on my lips today. So thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video, and please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and like the video if you like it, and please comment below. I really love reading your comments. I'm not getting too many comments nowadays on my videos. My views have gone really down, so please help me bring up my views and help me get more subscribers. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye, and see you in my next video. Bye guys, take care.